You know, they say Rome wasn't built in a day, but what about a single villa? I'm here at a school in southern Sydney, Australia, to see if some plucky Year 11 students are able to build a replica Roman villa using nothing but cardboard, sticky tape, a little bit of glue, and some can-do attitude. Will these students be able to produce this stunning replica brought to you by the good people at the BBC, thank you for the PDF, in just 45 minutes? Will this be a villa for the ages, or simply a helpful pedagogical exercise thinking about what villas might have looked like based on archaeological evidence? Tune in. Once the students have been told how they are to complete this villa, it's actually really interesting to see how well they work together and how well they start incorporating other things that they have learnt in the ancient Roman study into these villas. For example, some of the girls decided to create mosaics and do it in the traditional way, as in cutting up paper as tiles and gluing this onto a piece of cardboard, which then went onto the floor of the villa. So really interesting. They weren't told to do that, and it was great to see that initiative being taken. We also saw some ancient Roman mythology being brought into some of the artwork, which was then placed in the villa, along with some great touches such as fire pits and the like. It's really a wonderful activity for teachers to try out, because it's both a helpful guide for thinking through what housing was like in ancient Rome. It gives the creative students a chance to create something, to show off their artistic ability. It's a really fun exercise, and the kids love doing it. And at the end of it, you've got some really helpful teaching kind of tools there in the completed houses, as well as the students reflecting on what they enjoyed about the activity, what they can tell me about the villa that they've created, and we can then use that as a helpful kind of pedagogical tool in thinking through why some of those features might have been there, and how the houses that the Romans had might have affected their everyday life. So I can really recommend this activity as a teaching lesson. If you jump on the BBC website, you can find a PDF, and that's really just the basic foundational structure, and you can then change it up and ask for certain things, etc., etc., if you'd like to, and really have some fun with it.